Good morning, students. We can start our moral science class, chapter 3, Determination. Determination is the quality that you show when you have decided to do something and you will not let anything stop you. It occurs prior to goal completion and acts to motivate behavior that will help achieve one's goal. And the determination, it is a quality that it will show when you have decided to do something and it will not let anything stop you. It will not stop anything. You will complete that, and it is giving, if you have the goal and it is achieving, it is helping you to achieve your goal. It includes characteristics such as initiative, persistence, control, and drive. People with determination are willing to assert themselves, they are proactive, and they have the capacity to persevere in the face of obstacles. And those who are the determined person, they have the capacity to face all the obstacles, and it is a willpower to do something, or the quality of having firmly decided to do something. And even if it is very difficult also, they have the firm decision, or they have decided to do that. That is called the determination. Determination is important because it is key to increasing your chances of being successful in a particular thing or achieving a particular goal in life. The determination, it is making you to get a particular thing, or it is getting the successful in your life and the achieve the particular goal in your life. Without any determination, it can lead you to give up on your dreams because of the difficulty that are faced with, or what someone else has said. And no one should give up on what they truly want. Everyone can achieve something if they are willing to put in the work and have a strong mindset towards overcoming the challenges and people who disagree with you. That's the power of determination, and having that by your side can make a huge differences to your life. And when you are having the determination, you will get a huge differences in your life. And the determination is like climbing a mountain. The determination is like a climbing a mountain. You have to know what you want to achieve, then put on foot in front of the other until you reach the top. And first, already we told the determination, it is like climbing a mountain. First we want to know what you want to achieve, and after we have to put our foot in front of the other until you reach the top or the goal. Climbing a mountain takes a lot of effort. If you are climbing a mountain, we have to take a lot of effort. It is tempting to quit and turn back when you feel tired or discouraged. And when we are climbing, if it is tempting, it is giving the temptation to come back or the turn back, or it is feeling tired and the discouraged. But determination means pushing forward and not giving up. Determination makes you a winner, not a quitter. And the determination, it is make you always a winner. You can win at school by concentrating in class, finishing your assignments, and doing your best in every subject. And how you can win in the school? If you are concentrating your classes, and if you are finishing your assignments and doing all the best every subject, you will win in the school. And you can win at home by helping your family, doing your chores, and making good choices. And in the home also, you can win by helping your family members and doing all the works and all. You can win in the family. It takes determination to win, but you can do it. The sure way to fail is to give up. It's no secret that big calls take time, and the big calls, if you are having the big calls, it is taking the time. You have to think months or even years down the road. Because of this, we are often tempted to quit before reaching them. And if you are having the big calls and all, it will take months or years and all, and maybe it will get the tempt, it will tempt to quit before reaching that. Maybe sometimes you will be tempted. And we can see a story Hawaii was discovered around AD 1000 by a group of seafaring Polynesians who inhabited and explored many of the islands in the South Pacific. The Hawaii, it is a island. It is around AD 1000. We found it, and if you look at a map of the world, you will notice that Hawaii is one of the most isolated spots in the planet. Hawaii, it is a most isolated spots we can find out in the planet. And so it's already incredible that it was discovered so early in the human history, and it is discovered in the human history, but what they did to get there is what makes the story amazing, and how they find out that place, isolated place and all. It is the amazing story we can see. Because of its isolation, they would never have known Hawaii was even there. First they don't know the Hawaii was there because it is a isolated place, and they don't know. And it was a bird called the golden plover. The bird, it is the bird which migrated north out into the open water every year, that made them suspect lands must have been out there somewhere. They just could not see it. And first they did not find out this isolated place, but a golden plover, the bird, it is migrating, or it is going that places every year, and from there they understood that it is having a place or a land there. So they set sail from a Marquesas Island to follow them. That island is about 2500 miles away, and that is still how close you can get to Hawaii. And nowadays, using modern day equipment, it takes roughly 30 days to sail to Hawaii from the Marquesas. And they found the things. It is having 2500 miles are there from there. And back then, they were only using the covered wooden boats and their own understanding of the naval navigation. And the Polynesians followed the birds closely, but they always flew faster than they could paddle, and they could only keep up with them for short distance. And by the bird, it is flying in front of them, and they were going after the bird, and sometimes they could not find the bird. It is flying fastly, it flew faster than they could go. So after that they find out the distance and all. At some point they would lost track and had to turn back. And each year they could try again, and after that the bird is flying, they could not reach there, and they are coming back, and each year they are trying, picking up where they left off the previous year. And years passed by, and they kept getting further into the Pacific, but still they never saw land. It took the Polynesians 400 years to finally reach Hawaii using this method, and they took 400 years they took the reach into Hawaii. Imagine the determination and the perseverance you would need to do this. After generation of the hard work, belief, perseverance and determination, after years of uncertainty and doubt, they finally reached their goal. Then after we saw that the 400 years they were trying, and after many years or the many hard work, beliefs and all, at last they found, finally they reached their goal. That was almost 1000 years ago, yet their struggles relate a lot to our own goal setting. We are all working towards an unknown destination, just like the Polynesians. The principles are exactly the same, and we also having many goals to fulfill our life, and we have to go forward to our goals. And we can see your big goal is like Hawaii. After a lot of hard work and perseverance, the Polynesians reached the goal that took them years to accomplish. And after many years, they have the hard work, and they got, or they took them many years to accomplish. There was no guarantee they would reach it, and there is no any guarantee that they will reach there. For all they knew, they were sailing out to nothing. This is what goal setting is like. You are not completely certain it out there, but you work on the faith that you will reach it. Sometimes you have to risk going out into nothing in order to get where you want to be. And your big goals also the same, like Hawaii. Maybe we have no idea about to go forward and all, but you have to take the risk to go forward and you will reach there. And see, your clues to success are like the birds. The Polynesians saw the birds flying in the directions of Hawaii and reasoned that land was there. And the Polynesians, they saw the directions. The bird was flying and they reasoned that the land will be there. That was their clue that they did eventually reach their destination. We are all setting big goals or dreams on a clue or a hunch that we will reach them. And we also in our life having many goals or many dreams to reach there. It's our determination and belief in those clues that keep us going. And in our life also it is getting many clues to go forward. And your obstacles are like the ocean. Reaching Hawaii meant paddling across 2,500 miles to the Pacific, navigating over a open water and making sure their boat would not sink were huge obstacles. All goals have obstacles over to overcome. The all our goals it will have the obstacles or the we have to overcome that. We all have things standing in our way. They can often seem undefeatable, but with enough determination we can usually get around them. And our goals also maybe it will have many obstacles and all, we have to overcome that. And see here, don't stop working towards your goal. If you have a goal or if you have a dream, middle of that you don't stop. You have to do the hard work or you have to work towards that. The big takeaway to this story is that you have to keep working towards your goals. Determination pays off, and you have to work on your goals. If you have the goals or dreams, you have to work, not stop. How often did the Polynesians stop at some random place in the middle of the Pacific and see nothing? And the Polynesians, if they stop middle of that and if they are not seeing something, it is we could not find that Hawaii island. So they went forward and they could find the place. You will face that moment too while pursuing your goal. You will stop to look around and see nothing. That's normal. If you are having the goal, you also will get the chances to stop there, or if you won't see anything. And there will often be nothing to encourage us, and there will often be nothing telling us if our hunches are right. The problem is that when we see nothing, we might think there really is nothing. And if you are thinking that there is nothing and there won't be, the really it won't be anything. You have to have faith that your Hawaii is out there. You have to have faith that all your work will get you to your destination. And they had the faith that the Hawaii, the land is there, so they are trying and they reached there. The same way, you will have the faith to all your work will get to your destination. And if often just take time and small steps, you have to be determined and see it all the way to the end. And if you are getting some doubt or anything, you have to take time and the small steps you have to take and you have to fulfill your goal. And we can see here the some steps are here to it will help you to keep up your determination. The first one, set the right goal. You should have the right goal or the right dream you should have, and get moving. And if you have the right goal, you have to move on that goal. And third one, face challenges. If you are moving that goal, you will face many challenges you have to face with courageously and not be discouraged by failure. And when you are facing the goals and all, maybe sometimes you will get the failure, but not discouraged by your failures. Keep trying. If you failed again, you have to keep try, you have to try again, and you have to fulfill your goal. That is saying here about the determination. Already we have seen the determination. It is the quality of having firmly decided to do something even if it is very difficult also. And we told about our goal. If you have any, all of you have the goals in your life, you have to fulfill your goal with a great determination. You have to fulfill your goal in your day-to-day life, and you have to behavior, or you have to be you have to achieve your goals. How? By doing or by keeping all these steps you can achieve your goal. And you have to be a you have to have a good goal, and you have to achieve your goal, and you have to be a determined person always.